No matter what you're doing, no matter what you're playing, it's no matter what you're saying, cause we're doing it all the same. No matter where you are, where you're coming from, put your hand on your heart, don't wait. Yeah, you know that we, me, us, we're doing it all the same. No matter where you are, where you're coming from, put your hand on your heart, don't wait. Yeah, you know that we, me, us, we're doing it all the same. Yeah.
So we're gonna ride our horses today, our hobby horses.
I'm gonna go get my pony, okay?
It's right there.
I know.
So
No.
we're gonna tack up.
Get my pony.
We're gonna tack up. So let me put you down so I can tie it.
Cool.
I'm gonna tie him up. So Raya ran inside real quick to get something. So I'm gonna get her this too. Her just left it right here. Come here, Sparkles. Stay right there with Vinny. Good boy. Okay, so it's time to brush. There's lead ropes on the ground. I almost fell. Ow!
I don't know where.
So I just got them both tacked up. Raya's gonna ride it with me, so
I'm gonna ride my pony.
no, we'll ride them in a minute. We're about to ride our ponies, but first we're gonna ride our horses.
This is my pony.
Yeah, her bike. She's pretending it's a pony. But so I just got done brushing them, Raya. So come and get yours. So I'm gonna hop on. So Raya still hasn't got her horse, but I left it over there for her. Sparkles wants to ride. Go ride. My sister changed her mind. She doesn't want to ride her horse, so I'll also be riding Sparkles for a minute. So I'm now riding Sparkles, and I'm gonna ride her in the road. Raya! Raya, you want to race with your bike? Raya, do you want to race? Do you want to race?
Can I ride my pony?
Yeah, you can ride your bike.
It's pony.
No, it's a bike.
I win.
No, turn the other way. Turn this way. Yes, we're going this way. We can get a head start. Where are you going? Raya, where are you going? Are we allowed to go down here? Yeah. So I'm going to race all the way down to Charlie's mailbox. Come on. Race! Come on. Oh no, she's beating me. I can't let her beat me. You already do this. Let's redo that race.
Yeah.
Because first the dog scares her, then the truck scares her. That was funny. Okay, we'll start at our mailboxes. We'll start at our mailboxes.
No, let's go all the way where we were.
So,
Turn around first.
you ready?
Let me turn around.
I'll tell you when to go. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop her, I'm beating her. No! She's bouncing me up. Okay, official. Hobby horses are too slow, especially when I'm the power of it. Okay. Please hope you like and subscribe and comment down below. Vinny or Sparkles. Bye, guys.